Hello guys, and welcome to our headband tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to design a beautiful and stylish headband using our crystal jewelry accessories. Now, measure to the end of the headband and cut, so you can get an accurate measurement for this headband. So in this video, all you need is a glue gun, your headband, and your jewelry accessories to design it. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We will take it one step at a time, and you will be making your new headband in no time. My name is Naomi, and I'll be your instructor throughout this video. Let's get started. Now apply some glue on the band, and like you're seeing in the video. And you are going to attach the accessory that you cut on the band. Which is how you are going to start it. Once you put the accessory on the band, you press to secure it so that it doesn't fall off, so that it doesn't move. So you are going to repeat the same process like earlier. You put some glue on the band and then you attach the band to it. Wait till you get to the end of the band. The reason why we are doing it bit by bit is because we don't want the glue to become very hard, which will make you putting the accessory on the band impossible, and you wouldn't want that. So you continue with the same process till you get to the end of the band. Continue with the same process till you get to the end of the band. So make sure you secure the end of your accessories. Make sure you secure the end very well, like you're seeing in the video. That is very important. Now that you're done, you will end up with a simple yet elegant and stylish designed hairband. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.